One quarter, look at the sky, how nice. Half roll, 3/4, and we finish. Hello and welcome again to our channel. Today I want to make a short video talking about the propellers, the Falcon propellers I'm using for this season. I received some questions about which is the best propeller or recommendation for this specific combo, BJ Craft airplanes and with my Dualsky and Summit ESC. So at the beginning of the season I was recommending this propeller. 2212 from Falcon. This is a fantastic propeller and I still think that this is one of the best and the one I'm recommending all the time for the general public. It gives you a very wide range of speeds. The brake performance is very good. The power and how tight you feel the airplane is fantastic, and even if it's very windy you can have very nice speeds to fight the wind. So 2212 for me is still one of the best propellers Falcon has, especially for this combo. But after practicing a lot the P23 and the F23, specifically the first maneuvers of the P23 where you need a lot of braking, I went back to the 2210. 2210, the propeller I was using for the Cosmic. This propeller is very nice. It has a better braking, and with the GPS from Futaba we measured almost 3 meters per second slower in the downlines with this one. You have a very nice traction, you have very nice braking, but if there is a lot of wind it can be not enough sometimes. So that's why instead of using the 2212, the 2210, this year, the one that I have here, I will use the 2211. It's not something specific about this propeller, it's just that I like the braking of the 10, I like how it feels the airplane with the 12, so I had to go to this one. And I started practicing and it's giving me a very nice, the average speed of the whole program, the braking, the traction, it's very nice. I feel very compensated the whole flight, very uniform. So that's why if you want to go a little bit slower, the 2011 is a very good compromise between braking and also power. Then another one that I tested and I have it in my box of propellers just in case, it's the 21.5 per 13. This is maybe for people that this needs to go faster. It's also a very good one. But for me this year the three best propellers are the 22, 10, 11 and 12. Of course it depends on the model and it depends on your flying style. As you know, I like to fly very slowly, trying to keep a very nice average speed, constant, and make it look as elegant as possible. So in my particular case, the 2211, it's working, but for sure there is something that you can test. So my recommendation, if you can, is to buy the three of them, the 322s, and then from there decide which one is the best for you. Loop, rolling loop, inverted, small one, enjoy. Wait, let's do it now. Let's continue the road. So 2210 for very calm days, no wind, 2212 for all the rest is fantastic. And the propeller I will use the rest of the season, 2211, because it gives me a very nice compromise between brake and power.